Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna unbox the new travel router from GL.iNet, the Slate 7. It's a Wi-Fi 7 travel router. This is not a sample. I paid for this as a pre-order and I just received that today. So the point here is, and I'll have some other videos to compare this with I have two other travel routers from GL.iNet, and I'll have some comparison videos later. But at this point, this is the box. It came a little bit, beat it up. I just opened it already, so but it shows here some of the features, right? Wi-Fi 7, VPN, multi-lock or multi-look. Let me see if I can focus that. Multi-link operation. Ooh, I'm bad here to read. 2.5 gig, dual port, and this one has actually a touch screen in the front, DNS encryption, and quick PD USB-C type of a power supply. So that's the type. This is the box. I just open it and remove the inside box, which is this one here. Okay. And now let's open this for the first time. Okay, so let me do this the right way. Okay, it comes with a what's this? Connect with GL.iNet. So that's the quick QR code for their app. There is also a let's get started type of guide. So quick, user's guide, troubleshooting, and warranty information and so forth. You see here on the side several power adapters, for this is Australia, I believe, Argentina. There is another one here. Let's see, put this back. Oops, okay. The US one looks like it's this one here. Let me take it out. Look, this thing is really okay. Wow, okay, now this is, yeah, it comes assembled already with the US one, right? So that's the plug here. You can actually remove the tip and replace with several others. You have your UK and other types of adapters for it's a travel router after all, right? And this is the router. So let me take it off this little enclosure here, put it aside, and since I'm working with a single hand here, let me just turn it sideways. All right, it comes with a RJ45 flat cable, so it's nice, doesn't take much space, right? It comes with the USB-C charger, cable to be plugged into the charger. As you can see, the charger here is a USB-C type of charger. And let's see if I can, for sure it should, like normally is, but let me see if I can get some reading on that. Give me 1 second for the light and do some zoom here. And here you can see that it works on from 110 to 240 volts. And again, this is important. It's a travel router, so you don't need a transformer or anything. If you are in Europe with 220 volts, you can just replace the adapters, right? The socket adapter, and this charger, which is just everything except this tip here, is good enough for any place. So now let's look into the router itself. Comes well wrapped here. Will do my best to not, okay, not shake much. Again, I'm operating without a tripod today. I'm on the move, so this is the price that I have to pay for that. I picked this up actually today, so all right. And all right, it's a little heavier than the Barrel, which is the 3000 So I think it's MT3000, and but you know, it's not as, it's a little bigger also, but not as much, a little heavier. Here you can see the charger port. You can see the two LANs, right? You can use a WAN for your connection to the internet in your internal LAN, 2.5 gigabytes per second. There is a socket for a USB 3.0 flash drive that you can plug in. The antennas are very much the same style as, you know, any travel router from GL.iNet. You know, they'll just flip and arrange those in different positions. They are a little wider than my previous travel router for sure. Same size more or less, calls for a Wi-Fi 7. Ventilation on the sides, right? Same reset button here, and the function toggle button that you can, let's say, you know, can put up one position for VPN, another position you don't have a VPN, so you can actually set in the user interface what you want this toggle button to do for you, right? And here is the novelty of this. It does have now a nice touch panel that will show some information. So this is the unboxing. As soon as I have this up and running, I will upload a new video with that. And that's all for now. So please, this is not a professional channel in terms of, I don't live from YouTube. I have a day job. I do this because I am an enthusiast, and also I like to share my experiences with other folks. So if you can support my channel by just subscribing and you know, clicking on the bell, get notifications, I will be more active as much as I can with things like this, right? You know, giving you some views of some amateur radio, you know, rigs, or you know, routers and gadgets in general. That's the focus over here in this channel. Thanks again. I appreciate your time and have a great day. Bye.